Hello Doughnut is a tool for anyone wanting to introduce the concept of a donut in a playful and educative way to learners aged 5 to 18 and beyond. By using this tool, you will introduce the donut, how to keep it in balance, its dimensions, and new possibilities for regenerative and thriving futures. Each tool is made of cards designed for flexibility across diverse cultures and learning environments. There are 4 card types: space cards, which help you set up the conducive mindset for transformative learning; insight cards, which introduce the core concepts of Doughnut Economics; activity cards, which put concepts into action; and reflect cards, which consolidate learning. Here's how to find Hello Doughnut and download everything you need. From doughuteconomics.org, open the top menu and choose Tools. On the Tools page, use the search bar and type Hello Doughnut. Select Hello Doughnut from the results. Then, click Explore the tool. Choose to download the whole package in either English or Spanish. A Google Drive folder will open with 4 H bracket subfolders. Open the H bracket you are interested in, and there, you will find all the slides that you need. When you open an age group, like 12 to 16, you'll see the same color-coded structure tailored to that range. Within 12 to 16, there are 12 to 14 and 15 to 16 versions to suit different needs and interests. You also find suggested combinations. For example, Lesson 1 can run 20 to 55 minutes. It includes Mindset Shift, Making Space, and Intro to the Doughnut using age-appropriate insight slides. It ends with Meet the Dimensions and a reflection. Lesson 2 builds on this with a reflection on Doughnut dimensions, our futures activity, and a closing reflection. Adapt the lessons however you like. Use single cards, combine lessons in 1 week, or spread them over a term or year. All cards are modular, so you can fit them to your needs. Each tool includes practical preparations to help you tailor the session to your local context. You'll find guidance on setting the space for discussion, safety, and connection, as well as tips to adapt resources to better reflect your learners. Some slides are just for facilitators, others are designed to share with learners. Instructions and speaker notes are included and can be adjusted. We also suggest creating feedback loops with attention to anonymity, power dynamics, and safety, and having a materials list so you're ready before and during the session. By the end of using this tool, participants will be familiar with the donut, how to keep it in balance, and its dimensions, interrelationship, and new possibilities. Thank you for watching. All due resources are free to use. In the spirit of reciprocity, we simply ask that you share your experiences through a story, tool, or photo stream on the Due platform to help support our global community.